what you mean? What's my intention?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Nadula Hair. This is their 24-inch curly wig. It's 180% density. I just want you guys to be aware when you go on the website, the picture on the website looks different than my wig. For some reason, my wig is way more curly than the picture on the website. The picture on the website looks more like loose curly, but I just wanted you guys to be aware. So I don't know what's up with that, but yes. This wig is $220.56. I believe it's $220 basically. So all I'm doing right here is just installing my wig really quickly, my glueless method that I would do when I have to go somewhere really fast. So I did not really edit this video too much. This install took me a good 12 minutes. So you guys can just watch me. I'm gonna play some music and then I'll be right back to talk. I did want you guys to know that I really love this wig. If I did not say this before, I do love this wig. This is the wig that I used when I was doing my bun. I will be making a video on how I do my bun because this wig has tracks in the back. So I'm gonna do a video showing you guys how to do the bun and make the back of your head look natural. The plucking and everything that I'm doing right now, I have plenty of videos showing you guys in depth how I cut my lace off, how I tint the lace, how I install all of that. So I'm gonna link them up in the eye above. So all I'm gonna do is just pluck these baby hairs and then I will be back when I have more commentary.
With my Henny in hand, ooh, when I'm with you, babe, feels like, ooh, like the stars changing colors now. Can we go to a place we don't know? With my Henny in hand, ooh, can we run to the place real slow? With my Henny in hand, ooh.
Okay you guys, so I'm always getting asked what type of mousse I use, and this is the mousse. Screenshot it if you need to. It is the Afro G mousse. You can find it at your local beauty store. So I literally just fold my hand up with a lot of it and I'm doing the front of my hair. So I don't have glue on this unit, but if I did have glue, I would do the same exact thing. Put it on the hair, but do not push it in. Like right here, I'm kind of like using my fingers, but if you have glue, literally just use the comb and swoop the baby hairs, kind of like this. Like use the comb to form the baby hairs, and with the mousse being there, it makes it super easy. So this is the only tip I could give you. Just try not to push your fingers into the lace with the mousse, because this is what promotes the lace to lift and have the glue lift all that. That just makes it a mess. But you want to take your time and just swoop it with the comb. Don't really use your fingers too much. Kind of just use the comb like this, and that's gonna form your baby hairs. This is very self-explanatory, so I'm gonna leave you guys so you guys can look at me swoop these baby hairs, and I'll be right back.
Go to a place we don't know. With my Henny in hand, ooh, can we run to the place real slow? With my Henny in hand, ooh.
Okay guys, so right here I'm literally blowing my hair on warm heat. I always do this. I blow it on warm/hot, and then when I'm almost done, I blow it on cool. So you guys can just do what's best for you, but I do recommend you doing it on warm regardless of if you have glue or not, because that just helps it dry faster and melt, or quote-unquote melt. But I did not have glue or anything on this, so you can see the sides are not laying down. If I wanted the sides to stay down, I would put some like holding spray on there, but I really wasn't about to keep this wig on too long. And this way you can remove it every single night. So I'm just showing you, if your wig is lifting, it's normal because you did not put anything there to hold it down. Do not stress yourself out. But this is basically the end of the video. Thank you to everybody that's supporting me. I hope you guys are loving the videos so far. I'm trying to be consistent, and I'm thinking about making my schedule be like Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, like that, something like that. I'm not sure, but when my schedule is up, I will have it posted on my community tab. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. All their links will be in my description box. Bye.
Hey, off your knees, baby, follow me, LUV, no, that's what you need, c'est la vie, baby, what you mean, what's my intention, hey.